My name is Courtney. I am a leader, and I'm also a student. I like to say that I pretty much live my life in school though, because I do a lot around here, and this has become my home in the past few years. I started yearbook in my freshman year, and I did not realize that I was going to fall in love with it, but I did. I liked yearbook because I took pictures and got to write and got to design, but I loved yearbook because it was another family. We all got along, we all worked well together, and it was just always fun, no matter what. My whole family lives at home, so I get to be with my brother, my sister, my niece, my mom. We do a lot together since we live together. We're pretty close as a family. Sometimes we'll bake together. That's one of the things my brother and I do a lot together. We spend as much time as possible together. We just do all kinds of stuff together whenever we can. I have a little niece that I just adore, and she's been the center of all of our worlds for the past few years. I don't know, it's just amazing to me to be able to watch her grow up knowing that I contributed to this. It's really exciting to be a part of something that starts off so small and is going to become so big. The hardest obstacle I faced was actually in my freshman year. We were homeless for a few months, and it was really hard for me because I had to be there for my family. I had to focus on things other than school, even though that's always been my strength. All that stuff was happening, and they were here. All my teachers knew, and they were all very supportive and gave us food, they gave us support, whatever we needed. And that's when I really started to feel connected and feel like I was really a part of this school. My hope is to become a surgeon one day. I actually want to be a pediatric surgeon, and I was inspired by my stepfather had a son who has cerebral palsy, and he just really inspired me to want to really pursue the medical profession and help kids like him as much as possible. I'm really nervous for graduation, to be honest, because I know that it's going to be a huge shift. Everything's going to change, but at the same time I'm super excited because I'm ready to become this person that I know I can be, and I'm ready to go on this new journey and go wherever life takes me.